You had mentioned that everything is about technology these days and moving into the cloud. Can you tell us your thoughts about that?
Yeah, well, in the old days, a business, its assets were, a few trucks and a printing machine or tangible assets, things like that. These days, what's becoming the most valuable asset or the most valuable part of a company's book of assets is the intellectual property. Intellectual property is the exact opposite of these tangible assets. It's anything that is intangible, things, we call them trademarks and copyrights and patents and trade secrets. These are things that are not capable of being quantified or held or touched. The information, the knowledge, the branding that comes along with a business. A good example is trademark. It's the way that you tell a customer that you are who you are, that the product that you deliver or the services that you deliver are coming from you, so that the public can see that name and know that they can trust those goods, know what the source is. I don't care where you go on this planet, you see the name McDonald's and you know that you're going to get a particular product. It may not be the best product in the world, but you know you're going to get a certain quality level, and there's the consistency, and that is solid gold for a company like McDonald's, because they get a lot of customers from, you know what, I'm in a strange town, I don't know anything here, but I know McDonald's. That is a tremendous value to that business. That knowledge of the customer, that they know what they're going to get when they come to you. And the value of that is hard to measure, but it's clear that with many businesses, especially cloud businesses and information and technology businesses, that their intellectual property is worth many, many, many more times than any of their traditional property. It is said that the Coca-Cola brand is the most valuable single piece of property of any business in the whole planet. So it's our day and age that intellectual property is really the king. And it's really important that you find somebody that can help you to protect your intellectual property or defend you if somebody else says that you're stepping on their toes, infringing on their intellectual property. So that's what we do. We help you to protect your good name. We help you to establish your brand, protect your intellectual property, and follow all the rules, and there's a lot of them, that are special, that are different from the tangible property. You can lock your truck. You know that if I lock my truck or I lock the office door, I'm protecting my physical property. What do you do to protect your intellectual property? Do you know those rules? Most people don't, and that's where we come in.